is our first stop
At Fort Camp.
fresh from the airport. Guys, kain muna kami. Tuloy na yung aming Dumaguete Siquijor trip with my high school best friend. So this is Jan M. Aisen.
Hi, I'm Chloe and happy to be here.
Rhea. Jonash. And si Madam. Busy pa si Madam Aa. Siyempre may plus one. Kiss nga, kiss. So now we're at the barn. So nasa top na kami, guys. So pang-apat na itong white hair. Sige, tanggalin mo lahat ng white hair ko.
Bakit?
Lalong dadami yan.
Sige.
Legit?
Sakit.
Why? Look, I have one. Nasaan na kasi Aya?
So this is our second stop. Tito Jonash, tingin ka naman dito. Malamig.
May mic ba to? May mic? May mic.
This is our last ligo today at Red Rock. In English lang na walang bato.
Wala.
Eh?
Ang sarap. Para ako nasa ano. Yung mainit na pond.
Anong ginagawa niyang dalawa dyan?
Hot springs.
What's your brand name?
Hello. We're now at the pier waiting for our ferry. And then we're gonna go to Siquijor. Our boarding is at 6:50. 7.
Ano mga picture? Next heart yung labas. Madam.
Most lost.
On the way to Siquijor!
Hey, CTO, here we come with the night lights.
That's my ferry. Oh,
Hey.
pretty cold.
What's that, bro?
Day 2.
Let's go.
Sura ka?
Ano yan?
Kuya, wait lang. Okay. Continue, kuya. Bali
Uy,
on
dura.
the...
Jago.
Yeah.
No? How's it? It's good? Hey!
Thank you po.
Lulubog ba ng tubig? Sige. Kaya masyado lang. Ala lang, oh.
Sambulawan Underground Railroad. Dito.
So we just finished the underground cave. Let's go.
Yeah, you recommended this, right?
Uh-huh.
How much? How many?
Ilan yan?
How many yan?
Kanina to malaki eh.
Kay Chloe daw. Hoy, kay Chloe daw.
I don't want.
Bigay ko sa kanya yung malaki. Yeah. Tama na. Kaya ang daming kanin.
Aftermath. Grabe. Busog na busog.
Sabi niya kagabi, I now get it my birthday.
Accurate.
Wala nyo kaya. Bigla niya ka.
Hindi, sinabi ko din niya eh.
We're at Campo Gahay Falls with the gang. Nakakapagod po ang first water. Alright.
Sending every signal, so I flip open my phone. Giving in to get to know you just a little more. Call me on the weekend if you get a little bored. Kiss me through the phone if you want. You can blow me up. You could call it love, that ain't what it was.
Konti lang yung fries.
You in a trend, do whatever.
It's only 5 pieces of fries.
I got the one piece.
Turns out you were not the person that you said you were.
Dami naman.
With every word, every version of your image took me to ignore. So kiss me through the phone if you want. You can blow me up. You can call it love, that ain't what it was. Put you in a trend, do whatever green or red. Used to call it love, that ain't what it was.
How's it possible? I keep using a 3,000. 3, 8, 11,000.
Akala mo talaga. Guys, we're walking na for our nightlife in Siquijor. So we're at JJ's Backpackers and everyone is here. Every single person in Siquijor. Hey.
Sapa! Abi! Sapa!
Guys, we had to leave JJ's because it was raining so hard. Everyone's tired. Alright, you gotta practice it and swing. What's happening? Okay, so we're home. Success from JJ's.
Yung...
Dear
Jika. Sorry. Kung Jika ako.
everyone.
Jika, we have a lot of nice photos we took kanina.
Oh yeah.
And it's in the rain.
Hey!
Day 3, guys. So may mga hangover pa yung iba dito. Another day, another falls. And mga bangag pa ang mga tao dito. Yan naman, ba't dito dagat? Dito niya namang dead, ano na kami. Kaya pa, sis?
Ano pa pataas? Ay,
Diyan, hindi na natiis. Tumalon na sila. Aftermath of taking pics of me. Can I see? Wait.
Isa pa!
Pagkatapos maglambitin, kain na ulit.
Bulalo?
Oh, yummy. Hindi. Di ba beach na? Grabe naman yung rice nyo. Rice! Ay, gano'n pala. Woo! Let's go, Chloe! Let's go! Woo! Woo!
Yan, bago ata.
We're here at our dinner place at Dolce Amore. What Angela is excited about.
One.
Style. So, very softful siya chocolate chip crust. Scissor, tapos roll from the center point until the tulad po nito. Tapos may special pizza po natin. Ito yung may burrata cheese wrap.
Hello?
Let's get the pizza Italy and Patani pizza. Let's get the
Burrata.
Russian po, with us now.
Cheers. Yeah.
Can I see the inside?
Ay daw po, mga madam, sir.
Chili siya.
Mga gutom na gutom.
Masal.
Everyone's happy with their food. Good.
Kapatakan naman.
Say it, say it. Type shit.
Buonissimo ah.
Ay, paano?
Yung sa akin po, yung vanilla lang po.
Ang daming tinis pero vanilla lang.
So, enough.
Vanilla po. Yung po.
Guys, this is our last day. So we're on the way to
Tawag doon?
Dogo.
Hindi nakita ko na.
Diego went home na a while ago. So this is my new seatmate.
Kabit mo.
Always with my ice cream.
I-flex ni ma'am.
Thank you.
Ito ma'am.
Thank you po. Bye, Kuya. Thanks. We're really leaving.
Hindi magawa.
Jollibee. So, anong order mo? What's your order?
Burger steak and then di ko pa alam yung iba. Hindi pala ilang.
Wala nang budget. Tara, Jollibee na.
Guys, ka. Ayan. Huwag maarte, sisi. Sisi ko.
Uy, eh, si Kuya Driver? Ano na yung
Sige, John M.
Wait, lagi po ako dito. Awin na.
Salamat, Kuya.
Pa-dolce amore kayo. Tapos ngayon, dolce amore pa mo.
Uy, pakitulong, please. Uy, madam. Ito na, nag-iintay na kami for our flight sa Starbucks sa Cloud Chaser. Ang ating madam. Hindi na kaya ni madam. Oh. Bye, Siki Jor. Bye, Duma.
Wala ko si Chloe pa. Alam mo, ito pang day na ito pinakamasaya. Kahit wala tayo ginawa. Ito pa yan sa si Kuya.
Sabi ni Kuya.
Official in your seat.